What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Today I went to Walmart and got a plaster box of basketball. This is my first time ever doing a basketball break. Do this for my basketball subscribers. So this just came out, 2016-17 NBA hoops. Um, should have auto, find one auto or memorabilia cards per box on average. Let's get to it. Open up and see what's in there. Yeah, my favorite team growing up was Orlando Magic because I love to watch Shaquille O'Neal, playing. So I'm still like Orlando Magic. I hardly watch the NBA games, but let's get to this. Let me show you the odds. And we can focus. I'm not gonna focus it. There you go. Come on, get a focus camera. Middle lighting, turn it on here. Okay, not gonna happen. Okay, whatever. Let's open up. You see 11 cards per pack and 10 packs per box. There you go. Finally got it to clear. There you go. There are the odds. Finally got it to focus. 11 packs. 10 cards per pack. So pack number one. It's my first time open up. I don't know how the cards look like, but you guys will find out now. Here are the cards look like. Since Boston is green on the front, on the bottom, and the team's logo right there. Here's the front. Here's the back. Same thing as last year to me. Couldn't tell the difference between last year and this year. Almost the same. Rookie card, Malcolm Bertrand, Jeremiah Grant base, D'Angelo Russell, Eric Gordon, Victor Lepido, can't say his name right. Here's a Kobe Bryant insert. NBA hoops. Oh, this is the game. NBA 2K17. Okay. Warren. All right. That was pack one. Go to pack two. Start with rookie, DeMonte Murray. Tyrus Jones. Marie Spikes. Terry Black. Michael Carter Williams. And insert of uh, Face of the Future. The point guard of Orlando Magic. Victor Alabatido. I can't say his name right. That's what I'm waiting for. Magic. Phil Price, Vince Carter, Chandler, and Matt Barnes. Now the rookie, Isaiah Whitehead. But but he says not white though. See? Whitehead. But it says not white. Covington, Cole, Leonard, Patterson. Good player this year. Anthony Davis, 50-point game. Likes camera action. Kylie Irving, pretty cool. About to dunk the basketball. Richardson, Norris. Well, Jeff Whitey. Well, he is white, so there you go. Search that back up. This seems thick, so this should have a hit on it. Open that last. Anything more? And here's the insert. Double Trouble. Paul George and Monte Ellis. Person. Speed it up a little bit. Sorry, I'm going slow. Good player. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Timothy Lawayu Cabarat. Rookie card. Here's the place of PC for Ray. Oh, nice Jimmy Butler. End to end. Pretty cool insert. A lot of packs. All these cards are for sale if you're interested, not for trade. Just let you know. Jordan Mikey, Karis LeVert. I got a blue parallel coming up. Courtney Lee, Dirt, DeMar DeRozan, blue parallel, not numbered, pretty cool. Kyle Clover, Billy Moore, Frank Epsky, and Brendan Wright. 4 more packs to go. Yeah, this was $20 at Walmart. So, Kelly Irvin, China U Yaku. The name sounds Chinese and Japanese, but he's not Chinese or Japanese. Okay, I could be wrong. Another insert. Likes Cam Action. I can't say this guy name. Gainanis Antenna Gumo. I butchered that name. Seth Curry. Is he a Stephen Curry's brother? Just Winslow. And the Pope plays basketball. There it is. Ingram, Rondo, Sean Livingston, bunch of base, Brewer, Anderson, Hanson. Another insert. CJ McClung. Another PC for Ray. Wanatabe. NBA Hoops. Face of the future. Ellis Land. And 2 more packs to go. Try to make this video under 10 minutes if I can. A rookie, Henry Ellison, Jordan Hill, Beasley, Davis, another blue parallel coming up of Brook Lopez. 2 blue parallels so far. Kemba Walker. I guess we can get a hit. Kevin Love, Garnett, Jefferson, Chris Paul, Lou Dang, another blue parallel, Alpha Rumaninu, Jared Jack, Montgomery, and a hit is, there's a hit, Lawrence Noel, rookie, Pomeranz, I guess. Well, this guy, I think drafted really high, can't stay healthy. I don't know if this guy's any good or not, but hopefully he'll be good. It's not numbered, I don't think. Nope, that's my hit. So far, not a bad hit. You know, not a bad box. I mean, you got a bunch of base, some inserts, and this is the hit I got. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. Always leave a comment, and always thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and see you next time on my video. Bye bye.